Now, RTI activist Anup Singh was dumped near a petrol pump in Bulandshahr after he was abducted and tortured for over 4 days. His family claims that Anup had been receiving threats from a contractor after he filed an RTI with Yamuna Expressway Authority, raising his voice against inferior quality of work in infrastructure projects in his village.
Wrapped in bandages and numb with unspeakable pain, RTI activist Anup Singh's body bears innumerable injuries he sustained after he was abducted and thrashed with iron rods and branded with cigarette butts for 4 days and then left to die near a petrol pump.
लगभग 1 बजे करीब हम सूचना मिली थी और 4 बजे के आसपास हम वहाँ पहुँच गए थे। इनके पास में कपड़े वपड़े भी नहीं थे, इनके अंतरंग अंगों को भी जला गया, सारे शरीर में कहीं कोई जगह ऐसी नहीं बच रही है कि जहाँ से इन्हें नहीं जला गया। हाँ, इन्होंने वैसे एक RTI डाली थी जो गांव में विकास कार्य हो रहे हैं उनकी जानकारी के लिए, उनका
अच्छा
उसमें उसकी गुणवत्ता की वजह से।
The whistleblower's family claims that Anup was receiving threats from a contractor after he had filed an RTI to find details of a development project in his village, and that now they are being pressurized to withdraw the FIR in the case.
Anup Singh had suspected some sort of fraud in the development work being carried out in his village and had been filing several RTIs with the Yamuna Expressway Authority. Though the family claims to be happy with the police cooperation, it's been more than 6 days and no arrests have been made so far.
As Anup Singh struggles to recover from his injuries in a hospital, the UP police has not made a single arrest in the case, displaying an absolutely lackadaisical attitude.
जो अनूप नाम का है, BDC सदस्य है, सक्का गांव का रहने वाला है। इसका अपहरण की बात आई थी, मुकदमा पंजीकृत था, ये बरामद हो गया। आगे जो बातचीत से पूछताछ के बाद निकल के आता है, आगे कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
सर, मुकदमा जो दर्ज था वो अपहरण में था या गुमशुदगी में?
अपहरण में था।
An RTI activist brutally beaten for simply raising his voice against irregularities. And as he lies in pain, the perpetrators of the crime roam free. Will the UP police let them get away? Bureau Report, Times Now.